might not necessarily dictate whether you are actually ready or not. There are people who are maybe 20, 23, 22 and not ready for marriage, not yet. And sometimes people who are 19, 20, they're more than ready to be married, correct? What are the three things? Number one thing that is the most important is maturity. In the Quran, you have a series of ayat that talk about asking permission to enter someone's house. Okay, and this may sound very nonsensical to you. Why would Allah reveal ayat in the Quran just to tell you that if you want to enter someone's house, knock on the door? And their long recitations in the night time. Don't look at these things. انظروا إلى صدق الحديث وأداء الأمانة. Look at how truthful they are and look at how trustworthy people are. Do they return the trust that people have given them? This is aslan. This should be our motto for our religiosity. How much you pray and how much you fast is required. You have to do all of that. But if it is coming at the cost of you being a liar and a cheater, that's not the definition. 8713-7306. So this is just a survey, but it will help me as well figure out the audience. And the question is, what has been your main source of learning about marriage? All of you obviously know what marriage is. Marriage means a man and a woman get married, correct? But you all must have some idea of okay, well, what is the process of getting married and what will happen after marriage? All of you must have some idea in your mind, correct? But I want you to be honest and try and fill out what you think is your main source. Where do you learn about relationships?